You have to learn to treat insight like your best friend. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy, and let's get right into it. Sometimes in life you just have to take opportunities and grab them by both hands and treat insight like it's your best friend. There are so many people that may be surrounded by all the information that they could possibly need to become best version of themselves, to become successful in the way that they imagine, but they just don't take advantage of the opportunity. For example, if you've always wanted to be successful, maybe you wanted to get in that world of investing, and you're surrounded by people that do that, you're surrounded by people that invest, you're surrounded by people that have so much knowledge of that kind of aspect, but you don't take advantage of it. Some people don't grab the opportunity. Sometimes it has to be in you. You have to realize when an opportunity is there. Like if you're surrounded by people that are into investing, building their brands, building a business, whatever it may be, you have to think, hang on a minute, I'm in the circle. How can I apply this? How can I apply the knowledge? How can I pick their brains so that I can build a life for myself? How can I pick their brains so I know how to invest and how I know to build my portfolio? How can I do this so that I know how to fend for myself? You have to be the type of person that takes insight as if it's your best friend. You can't rely on people doing things for you. It's better for you to learn how to do things, learn how to develop a business. If you're surrounded by people that have businesses, you're bound to be able to have a successful business because you know people that have done it, you know people that have made mistakes, you know people that are currently going through it, you know people that are ahead of you. Take their brains, take the opportunity, ask them. There's a difference between asking someone for help, asking someone to help you, asking someone with getting their investors, asking someone with how you can raise capital for your business, asking someone how you can develop your sales, how you can market your business, than show me everything that you did. If they show you everything they did, if they even do it for you, you won't really know what happens when that person is no longer there. How are you able to sustain your business? How can you even keep up with your marketing strategy? How do you analyze your analytics? You have to want to be involved and take insight and use the insight as if it's your best friend. Use what you know and develop it. You don't have to know everything. You just have to know what you don't know. When you know what you don't know, you're able to work on those things. Don't just assume, okay, I'm in here, my business is going to be successful because I'm surrounded by business owners. But you have to really want this for yourself. You have to take insight as if it's your best friend. Keep studying. There's no point of you studying to a specific point and then thinking, okay, I've got everything I know. Life always changes. Principles are always changing. Regulations are always changing. You're always changing. They're always changing. So you have to use insight. Once you've got insight, once you surround yourself with people that know things, you're bound to get all the help that you need if you need it. You're bound to be successful if you use what you've got to your advantage. I'm not saying use people. I'm just saying use their knowledge, pick their brains. You'll be surprised at how people are willing to share the information they know if you just ask. Don't be scared to use insight as your best friend. Don't be scared to network with people in the positions that you want to get into. Don't be afraid to speak to people that are currently going through the same thing. Use insight, use that little bit of information that you've gained to build something even better, to build an even bigger brand, to become more successful. If you struggle mentally and you have friends that are psychologists, pick their brain. If you have friends that are therapists, why not ask them about a particular thing that you're going through? You don't have to suffer in silence if you've got people that know things. You just ask for help. I'm not saying sign up and to be one of their clients, but you can ask for your help here and there. You'll be surprised at who they can refer you to. So don't suffer in silence. Use insight as your best friend. Learn things and grow. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.